All right. Let's open our Chrome browser. Let's search for Suno. So I'm not going to teach you how to search for Suno because I know everyone knows where to find Suno. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Right. As you see, this is the interface of Suno. I'm AI. So just look at create. Alright, there's the first step. Go to audio. I want you to follow my cursor on the screen. Then upload. Then locate where your song want to copy. Just upload it on Suno platform. Just like this. Let's take a listen. Okay. Just click save and wait for it to upload on the platform. Okay, let's wait and see the magic happens here. Okay, our song is successfully uploaded on Suno platform. So what's next? You just locate the three dots there, locate remix or edit, then locate cover. Yes. Okay, when you do that, the song will move from the workplace side and come to a production side here. So we have to delete the lyrics that have already come with the song. The next step is to go to ChatGPT. Right, I don't teach you how to find ChatGPT on Chrome. Everyone knows that. So straight to the point, we want lyrics. Write a song called "I Don't Love You Anymore." Nigerian accent inspired by Ira Star. Then after that we hit enter. So I told you today I don't want to waste much of your time. I want to go straight to the point. This is a quick tutorial to grab knowledge, not to listen the music that we create. So we copy our lyrics and get back to Suno. We paste our lyrics on the lyrics tab there. That's nice. So let's move on to style. We don't have much to put on style. Let's write Afro pop beat. Yeah, Afro pop beat, comma. Add lead guitar. Now we are mentioning the instrument that we want to be included in the song. So then, comma, we need congas. To those who know Afro music, there's a lot of congas and shakers. Okay, we need female voice or song. Right. After we do this, we scroll down a little bit and come to the advanced option tab. This is where the magic happens, guys. Okay, on lyrics mode we have to choose manual, voice gender female because Ira is a female. Then on weirdness, don't touch anything, guys. The quality will be bad. Then style influence, we have to be moderate, not strong. Then audio influence, we adjust to a certain percent, but it's moderate. Don't do it 100% because the chances of getting copyright are very high using this trick and so on. So you have to be careful. Your style influence and audio influence must be on moderate, around 60 to 75, right? So we are done with the settings that we need here, and we put our song title, then hit create. Boom. Let's wait for the magic to happen. Right. As soon as possible, we are going to take a little listening. And guys, tell me in the comment section which song of Ira Star is this one. Okay, we have our own lyrics, but we copy the style from the previous song that we upload. So let's take a listen. Aye.
Another late night confession, but this one's real. I stayed when the nights were cold. I prayed when your heart was closed. I gave you my everything. You still say I'm doing too much. I bent till my back felt weak. I spoke but you never listened to me. I kept all your broken promises like they were gold in my hands, yeah. Now I look in the mirror and I don't recognize who I've been, yeah. I was loving you louder, but you were already leaving. I don't love you anymore. Another late night confession, but this one's real. I stayed when the nights were cold. I prayed when your heart was closed. I gave you my everything. You still say I'm doing too much. I bent till my back felt weak. I spoke but you never listened to me.
Okay, to those who know I Rasta, I want you to tell me in the comment section which song is this one. So now I'm showing you the other settings. Don't go to 100%. That one is strong. It replicate the song as it is. So we have to keep it at moderate so that our chances of getting strikes are very slow. So our songs are ready. You just download them, and everyone knows how to download songs from Suno. So let's take another look. I want to show you another style of how to copy an artist's voice using ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT, then locate GPTs, explore GPTs, right, as you see, and then it opens the panel like this. So we have to search for Suno, right? You see, let's wait for it to load. Then I will want to locate Suno 5.0 prompt generator. That is the one we are going to use to replicate Ai Rasta voice. This is the second method. It works well, but the first one is the most powerful than this one. But this one is good because your chances of getting copyright strikes are very, 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 very small. So let's type what we want from this Suno 5.0 prompt generator. So I just give a simple instruction of I want a prompt for Ai Rasta voice in Nigerian artists, as you see on the screen right now. I'm typing this symbol will then hit enter. Then the GPT searches across the internet and finds some explanation to the voice. So this prompt will work on 4.5V or 5.0. I know some of you are using free version. Free version does not allow you to use faders. So I encourage everyone to pay. Suno costs $10 a month for 500 songs. Okay, so before I copy this, right, I want to copy a certain style of a song of Ai Rasta called What Body. So I have to rewrite, inspired by Ai Rasta, a song called What Body. Then it will give me the two prompts, the one for 4.0 and the other one for 4.5 and V5.0 prompt in detail. So I'm going to copy the last prompt here and go back to Suno. So on style, I just delete the old style that I use and paste the new style. Then on faders, I'm going to increase a little bit so that our results will come closer to the new song that we want. Then hit create. Wait for it to generate. Okay. So let's take a listen.
Another late night confession. I stay when the lights were cold. I pray when your heart was closed. I gave you my ear. Pray when your heart was closed. I gave you my everything. You still say I'm doing too much. I bent till my back felt weak. I spoke but you never listened.
Okay, I think for today, I think this is all for you guys. So if you found this video helpful, please support my channel. Click the subscription button, like the video, drop a comment, and if you want me to show you something or teach you more about Suno, please let me know in the comment section. And to those who want more AI tutorials, please stay on this channel. I'll be uploading more. You can check the previous videos that I uploaded the previous months of how to do storytelling with AI, how to make a music video with AI. You can also check. And also, I'm going to drop more powerful information on this platform. Thank you so much. My name is Father Nation, the coach. I'm signing out.